Next we have incremental and absolute CNC machines. Let's discuss about incremental system first. In this system, the distances are measured from one point to the next point. The movement from point, let's say A, whose coordinates are 2, 3, to the point B, whose coordinate is 6, 8, is specified by x is equal to 4, y is equal to 5. Now, for drilling 5 holes at 5 different locations, the command for x direction would be 500 plus 200 plus 600 minus 300 minus 700 and minus 300. The main advantage of this system is that inspection of the program is simple because the sum of commands for each axis must be 0. A non-zero sum indicates an error. Also, the mirror image programming is easy. It involves only the change of the signs of the command. Next we have absolute system. In this system, the movement command are with reference to the origin. The movement from point A to point B is specified as x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 8. Now for drilling 5 holes in this type of system at different locations, the command for x direction would be 500 plus 700 plus 1000 plus 1300 and plus 300. The main advantage of this system is that interruptions caused by tool breakage or tool change or checking the parts do not affect the position at the interruption. Also, dimensional data can be changed very easily.